Good afternoon, geographers. I'm coming to you from a little park near the Beale Dawson House in Rockville, Maryland. But today I'm actually going to talk about Indonesia. Today is the Indonesian Independence Day, so I thought what better excuse than to start a thematic talk about different countries on their Independence Day. So today is Indonesia's day. I was there a very long time ago, so about 20 years, so there's a lot of stuff that's changed, but it was still a very awesome and memorable experience. I was there for a little over a month, and I had gone from Malaysia over to Sumatra, which is not as touristy as some of the other parts of Indonesia, but I really loved it. Lake Toba was one of the highlights of Sumatra, as was the orangutan sanctuary in the north. So then after that went to Java. Java is where Jakarta is. Not as interesting to me, but Borobudur, the temple, that famous temple, was there. And then a couple other cities that we went to, Yogyakarta. There were some volcanoes. Got to go and play in hot springs with sulfur, I don't know, this phosphorescent sulfur paste that we put all over ourselves. That was fun. And then just traveling around Java, eating the food, and all the places was so good. And then Bali. That's probably the most popular place that people think of when they think of Indonesia. But really, Bali is almost like its own country because it's very, very different culturally. There is a lot of different things to do there, from very touristy, beachy activities to quiet, serene temples and kind of off the beaten path kind of places. So it has a lot for the tourist. And then Lombok is an island that's further on, not quite as touristy, but also very popular with people that like to go to the beaches. And the Gili Islands are little islands off the coast of Lombok. So those are the places that I went. Wasn't that much compared to the thousands and thousands of islands and land masses there in Indonesia, but I would love to go back and recreate that itinerary today because everything's changed and it's like a totally new place. So with that, I will bid you a happy Independence Day, Indonesia, and a happy weekend for everybody else. Bye.